Today, I'll show you how to view blocked emails in Gmail. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your blocked senders list, how to review it, and how to make changes if you need to. This is really useful if you think you might have accidentally blocked someone, or if you just want to double check which email addresses Gmail is currently filtering out for you. First, go ahead and open Gmail. You can do this in any web browser on your computer by going to the Gmail website and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. It's best to follow these steps on a desktop or laptop because the full settings you'll need are easier to access there than on the mobile app. Once your inbox is open and you can see your emails, you're ready for the next part. Now, look toward the top right corner of your Gmail screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is the settings button. Click on that gear icon. A panel will slide open on the right, showing some quick settings like theme, inbox type, and reading pane options. These are just shortcuts, but for viewing blocked emails, you'll need the full settings area. Inside that quick settings panel, look for a link that says something like See All Settings. Click that link. This will open the complete settings page in Gmail with several tabs at the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Take a moment to let the page load fully, because all the different options can take a second to appear depending on your connection. At the top of this settings page, find and click the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This tab is where Gmail keeps everything related to filters you've set up and the list of addresses you've blocked. When you click it, the page will switch to show you any filters you have, and a bit further down, a section devoted to blocked senders. Scroll down the page until you see the section titled The Following Email Addresses Are Blocked. This is your blocked senders list. Every address you see here is one that Gmail will automatically send to your spam folder, so those emails won't appear in your main inbox. Take your time scanning through this list and look for any addresses you might want to unblock. If you notice an address that you recognize and no longer want to block, you can update it from this page. To do that, find that address in the list, and to the right of it, you'll see an option to unblock it. Clicking unblock will bring up a small confirmation message, confirm that you want to unblock the sender, and from then on, new emails from that address will start going to your inbox instead of being filtered out as spam. Once you're done reviewing your blocked senders, you can simply navigate away from the settings page or click back to your inbox using the link on the left side of the screen. Gmail will automatically save any changes you've made, so you don't need to look for a save button. And that's all there is to it. You've opened Gmail, gone into settings, navigated to the filters and blocked addresses tab, and viewed your blocked senders list. Now you can keep better control over who can reach your inbox and make adjustments whenever you need to.